Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change message settings in iPhone. To change message settings on your iPhone, follow these steps. Go to Settings, Messages on your iPhone. Here, let us customize iMessage and SMS settings. Turn iMessage on or off. Toggle iMessage on or off at the top. This lets you send messages between Apple devices using data instead of SMS. Send as SMS. Enable Send as SMS to allow messages to be sent as text when iMessage isn't available. MMS Messaging. Toggle MMS messaging by toggling the show subject and character count. If you want to send multimedia messages like photos or videos. Now, let us adjust notification preferences. Go to Settings, Notifications, Messages, including banners, sounds, badges, and previews. Message filtering. In these settings again, go to Messages, enable Filter Unknown Senders to organize messages from people not in your contacts into a separate list. Customize message history. In the Messages settings, tap Keep Messages and choose how long you want messages to be saved. The options are 30 days, 1 year, or forever. Read receipts and typing indicators. Enable or disable Send read receipts to control whether others can see when you read the messages. Enable Show contact photos if you want to display contact photos in the Messages app. Adjusting these settings lets you personalize your messaging experience on your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.